This video is brought to you by KINGBOLEN. We got a product review here. We got the KINGBOLEN. We got the BM550 Plus. This is a battery tester. This is a nice little unit. Got real nice springs on it. Clamp down on that battery. It will test your 6 volt, 12 volt, and 24 volt batteries. So this is something that you need to check every so often. I just did a spring checking on my generator, and that was just a couple months ago. Took the gas out of it, run the carburetor dry, and it was starting just fine. And here just a couple months later, I put this tester on it and it tests bad. It says poor on here. So it went bad in that 2 months time. So it's a few years old. It's probably 4 or 5 years old since I bought it. That battery, we're gonna take that battery out. I'm gonna replace it, put another one in. But that's real important to check your batteries once in a while. Cause see, if I would have hadn't checked it, then when I got ready to use that generator with no power in the house, then I would be, of course I could pull start it, would be no problem. It starts really easy, but it's just something that's not ready to go. We like having everything ready to go. Cars, lawnmowers, everything ready to start and go. Ready to do its job. So this is a battery analyzer. This is the BM550 Plus 1.8 inch high definition backlit screen. Test range positive, negative, alligator clips. Connection method 4.9 volts to 32 volts. Minus 4 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Operating temperature. Okay, on your status you got good, normal, or poor. The battery is in poor condition or normal condition, or battery is in good condition. So we'll take you over there to the, I'll give you a close-up view of this real quick. Then we'll go over to the batteries over here and I'll show you the difference between a bad battery and a good battery. Okay, there it is right there, the KINGBOLEN. You got this is your back button here. You back out of your screens. That's your OK button. That's your up and down. Like on a lot of cell phones and stuff, you just toggle up and down. You back out of whatever screen you're on, and that's the OK it. Real simple to use. There's the back of it. It don't have any switches or nothing on the side of it. It's just got your really nice alligator clips with the really strong grip on it. This is the package it came in. So we'll take it over there and we'll show you what it's going to do. Pretty nice little unit. I think everybody needs one in their toolbox. Check on your cars and your motorcycles and your anything that's got a battery in it. That way you can check it, make sure it's good. Them batteries will go dead and will go bad in no time, before you even realize it. Okay, gonna do a battery test on this. Click OK. Go down to 12 volt. Click OK. It's supposed to be and click OK. That says poor. Now I have put a battery charger on it. It didn't do any good. I'll try to start it. Of course I don't have the battery connectors. I don't have it connected right now, so that's not going to do any good. Anyway, this is a poor battery. I'm in the process of pulling this one out to get it replaced. So let's go up here to the top batteries, and I'll disconnect one and we'll check out a good battery. Okay, I'm going to put this on there. I'm going to check them all together as a group. Okay, it shows it's good. Now I'm going to isolate one of them. Going to disconnect one of them. This is all midday sun, and they're all getting charged real good. Going to disconnect. Disconnect them, and we're just isolating one battery. Isolated that one right there. You go back to beginning. Test battery. 12 volt. Okay, got 12 volt. Over here we're going to put 425. .425 cold cranking amps. Hit OK, and it shows to be poor. Check my connections here. Test battery, 12 volt. Gonna go to 425. Okay, it's still testing poor. So all of them together test is good, but individually I've had trouble with these batteries. In fact, I even boil them dry. So I believe they're 2020 models, 2020, so they're getting old, need to be replaced. And shows it's got 23% is all you got in there. 23% charge. As we get stronger sun, it may bring it back up to normal, or you turn these on in the morning and it'll draw the batteries down, but later in the day they'll come back to 100%. This is all running right now, so I'm not going to worry about it, but that's what a battery analyzer will do. This is from KINGBOLEN. It's the BM550 Plus. I'll put a link down below where you can pick you up one. And I appreciate the people that sent this out to me so we can check this out, take a look at it, and see what it'll do. See, this is only showing 70% charge right now, so 12.4 volts. So it's all running, and like I say, midday it should charge up, and it'll be fine. I'll hook all this back up together, and thanks for watching.